Today we're working with Malika, who is my Malinois dog. She gets worked on casually, just when I'm standing up or we're doing something, but we haven't really done sessions in the clinic where it's a bodywork session. So this is a little new for her today. We have our snuffle mat, which she sniffs to find the little snacks that I put in there. And we also have our canned pumpkin popsicle. So we put canned pumpkin in the mug, smeared it in the mug and froze it so that it could occupy her. She happens to like it, and I already know that. And so then she occupies herself with that, and now she's occupying herself with finding her food, and she's kind of switching back and forth, but it just helps her to be in this position that I want her to be and enjoying it. We work on dogs for them, so not to them or at them. Let's go back to our 3 things that we start with. We always make sure we're in a comfortable position, that you're breathing, because it's so important that you're breathing. It's important for the oxygen in your brain, but it's important for relaxation. If you're not breathing, your dog's not breathing. And then having your hands wide like a starfish and being conscious that we're not digging and pushing or pressing really hard. We don't want to do any of that. We want our hands wide like a starfish with a light amount of pressure. I just sink into her head and her face, and I'm just stroking, starting with stroking. And I probably have 5 grams of pressure. That's the weight of a nickel. And she's very, very busy in her snuffle mat, but that does not impact what I'm doing. Just moving the skin, I'm mobilizing the skin. When you're mobilizing the skin, you're mobilizing fascia, which is basically impacting her whole structure when you move the fascia, because the fascia covers every muscle, bone, nerve, and organ, like an interweaving fabric throughout the body. So you can absolutely impact your dog's whole body by impacting their fascia. I know you can do this.